Hey guys, Lily with Gotcha Organized here. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about how to handle your mail when it comes in, so I figured I'd just make this short video and tell you what I do. So when I come in from getting the mail, I have a recycle bin right nearby that I know I can toss anything that's a flyer for something that I don't need. Anything that has the words our neighbor or current resident or something like that is something that is not meant for me that can go directly into that recycle bin. Another thing that I recommend is to take all the mail out of its shipping envelope, and then you've got just the envelope that you can throw away, because if you keep the mail inside the envelope, then you don't know what you've actually got in there. Once you've got the paper documents from inside, there's probably going to be those statements that are in some language that you don't read. So I would suggest throw those papers away as well as any of those little informational flyers. Those are not going to be important for you. It's probably information that you don't need to process at this moment. And then you're left with just the important pieces of paper that you do have to deal with, and those can be added to a bin, and you can process all of those once a week. So you've already gone through and gotten rid of all the excess paper that you don't need, and you'll just have the important ones that you do have to worry about later on in the week.